Meta reportedly kills plans to release a dual-camera Facebook watch. Oh, I thought Apple Watch, I remember, was doing... There was a patent application for cameras in an Apple Watch. Facebook, I don't know how many cameras people want from Facebook. I remember Facebook, they try to put the camera in your kitchen. They try to put, like, the video conferencing. I don't even remember the name of the product now.
I think they canceled Portal recently.
Portal,
yeah,
that was it.
Yeah.
And
can't buy it anymore.
The people they didn't want the cameras, the Facebook cameras. They didn't want the Zuckerberg cameras. You don't mind the Zuckerberg headset, but maybe you don't want the Zuckerberg camera. I don't know what you want. Shout out Simon. He says he only buys high and sells low now. So he's finally figured out
the formula.
Yes,
the winning formula.
Yeah, I mean it wasn't that hard, really.
I'm still learning.
The Apple Watch could have had a worthy competitor. Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that? Because Facebook with the hardware, Meta with the hardware. I mean, maybe with the exception of the VR, but as far as wearables go, they did the thing with Ray-Ban because they had the Instagram glasses, right? Mm-hmm. Wasn't that one thing that they were doing? I remember Mark was talking about that. Stories is what it was. I don't know. Did you ever try these out?
No, we have them here.
Yeah.
We should.
So, I mean, the design of this looks good, but the camera quality I don't think was there. It's lit. People still say that? I mean, I really don't know. That was an honest... this is obviously an old promo. I'm sure people still say it. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, say whatever you want to... whatever you want to say. Facebook never publicly announced its plans to roll out a smartwatch, but rumors about the project flooded the tech sphere. Last year, The Verge claimed that Meta was working on a wrist-worn device with 2 cameras that can take photos and videos that can be shared across the social media giants' app family, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. There's something about the watch camera and the glasses camera that gets people a little bit uneasy.
But phone camera, totally fine.
No problem. Yeah. The phone on the camera, which is weird because it would be cool tech to just always have access. But however, it's just, I don't know. There's something, I guess, creepy about it to some people. Prototype of the smartwatch reportedly sported a 5-megapixel camera near the display for video calls and then had a 12-megapixel camera situated on the back that could be detached from the watch stainless steel frame. It was purportedly designed for tracking activities, monitoring heart rate, enabling music playback, facilitating messaging, and more. I mean, Facebook was trying to do anything but Facebook. Mm-hmm. As people stop using it. But anyway, what does it matter? Because it looks like it's dead now. The price tag was going to be $349, and it was going to launch in 2023. But now the project is dead. These are Bloomberg's claims. It's probably okay that it's dead. I don't think people. This is just a tough leap. I don't know how many things you can do and do well. I don't know.
It would be nice to see some renders.
Yeah.
Seeing Facebook there.
I don't know. I feel like there was a window of opportunity, and I don't remember the exact year, but there was a moment. It was around the time that Facebook was talking about doing their own phone. Like if it was peak Facebook popularity, when your friends were poking you on Facebook.
Oh, God.
If they would have done it with heavy integration at the right moment, if they could have, but they were busy, they were building other things as well, then we could be living in a different reality. But it's all about timing. Timing is key here. And right now, I don't think the world is clamoring for a Facebook watch. Mm-hmm.